Hi guys, today I've got my Nikon charged, so we'll be testing it. But not the zoom capabilities, but more vlogging capabilities. I'll switch the screen to the other side and we'll do a small unboxing recording on the Nikon instead of the usual iPhone. But considering we have the tele-zoom, why not check if there's any promo on the fruit and vegetable stand across the street. Well, I'll be filming freehand, so the image might be a bit shaky, but still, you'll be able to see the amazing capabilities of the zoom. What do we have here? Pears, apples. Well, let's check the price. Melon, 3 Polish zloty. Impressive, isn't it? But let's see how it performs in vlogging. So one of the first drawbacks I see is you have to turn the camera around to find the recording button. Otherwise it's difficult to feel where it is. But let's see what we have in this package. Well, I don't have to guess what's in the package. It's one of those illuminated glass switches, wall switches. But the problem is with those bought in China, they are made for this square opening, whilst in Poland, or generally in Europe, it's more popular to have round, what do you call them, not sockets, the can that's placed inside the wall. It's usually the 60mm round, whilst in the US, China, you have those square ones. So if you're in the US, it shouldn't be a problem, but in Europe, unfortunately, might not fit. Well, let's see. WALLPAD. Well, I used to buy Livolo. Was that the name? That was the name. Livolo brand sockets and switches, but once they started having a local Polish dealer, the prices skyrocketed on AliExpress, and when the packages come in, you get them through the customs office. They add on VAT tax, so not only it's more expensive, you also have to wait a month for a package to arrive. So more sensible to buy them locally or try something like this. But let's hope it fits. It's a really nice switch. This ring illuminates, and I hope this does fit. I don't have anything to measure, but might just be press fit into the 60mm diameter can. But one thing I see, which is different from the European ones, it doesn't have these metal prongs for mounting. You have 4 holes, so you need to drill the wall and screw this to the wall. Well, I'll install this over the weekend, of course, recording how to, and that's it for today. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon. Just a quick postscriptum. The 2 movie fragments, or actually you've seen the whole movie, but the fragment with the zooming in and out, and me, the so-called talking head movie, that took something like, how long was your English lesson? 1.5 hours? 1.5 hours. So even a bit more than 1.5 hours. So it takes really, really long. I don't know why it's like that. But as far as I remember, also pulling movies from my drone over Wi-Fi to the iPhone would take equally as long. So I guess that's how it is. So that's it for today. Cheers.